My best friend. Bob is my best friend. He has been my classmate since my early days. He comes from a very good and respectable family. His parents are well to do. Bob always stands first in our class. Bob is keenly interested in games and debates. He is a good speaker and always bags prizes. He is one of the most popular boys in the school. Students like him very much because of his fine qualities and good character. My best friend is the embodiment of numerous human virtues. He is a quiet and sensitive boy who tries not to hurt anyone's feelings. Sympathy to the less fortunate. He is often seen feeding the hungry and nursing the sick. Please guys like, share and subscribe.